wet here. I'm standing inside the house and I'm getting all wet. There are mass amounts of rain coming down. I'm not sure what time it is. I don't have my phone on me, so it's probably around 2 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. And we are getting shit tons of rain and lightning. And the street light went out. I'm not sure what that means, to be honest with you. But my light is still on, so yeah. I love the thunder, and I love the rain, and I love the lightning. I'm just so glad I don't have to be out in it right now. I don't know if you can see it better there, but water's just pouring off of this house.